This is a 2-pack of under cabinet LED lights by Brilliant Evolution, and it also comes with a remote too. It's so easy to use. All you have to do is tap it on and tap it off, or you can use the remote as well. This provides 80 lumens of light, super bright. And it also comes with this sticky tape as well as screws too if you decide to screw it up under your cabinets. You can also stick this in a closet or in a showcase too. These are battery operated and uses 3 AA batteries, which are not provided, and they should run for up to 100 hours each. These are also super slim. They measure 8 inches by 2 inches by less than 1 inch in depth. It also comes with this remote where you can turn it off as well as on, and you can also dim it too. You can also do a quick 50% light as well as put it on a timer for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. This is so easy to use, and it has a really lightweight remote, and all you have to do is turn it off as well as on, or you can even turn it on to 50% brightness or back to 100. Or if you want, you can dim it to somewhere in between, almost all the way off, and then you can turn it all the way back. If you want, you can even put it on a timer for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. All you have to do is push it once, and it blinks, telling you that it understood your command. I was sent these from Brilliant Evolution to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.